Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Quinn here and I'm back with another video. Remember guys, my last video that I did when I showed you how to use the Windows video editor within the Windows Photo app for Windows 10 to create your videos with one image and one audio file? I found out how to make it with more than one image. But before we get into it, remember to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and share the video with others. Also turn on that notification bell to be alerted when I post new videos. Also remember that the instrumentals for this video have been provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so as I said, we're only going to need three things for this video. First of all, you have to have Windows 10. Second of all, you have to have your audio file, and then you're going to have your photos because we'll be using multiple photos this time. For this video, I decided to use photos with text in them, like text thumbnails, so that at the end we can use the new advanced OCR that I reviewed the other day to actually see if those images are actually popping up during the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to press your start button and start typing in photos because we're using the Photos app.
Start window, search window, P, paint, H, photos, app, press right.
Then press enter to open it.
Photos, photos window, improving search.
Then tab until you get to this button.
OneDrive button, collection tab, search people, search button, pause button, new video button collapsed 1 of 4.
Alright, then you'd click enter on here. But if you're not seeing this button like what I am seeing here, you can tab to the more app bar button.
Select button, import button, more app bar button.
Press your space bar.
Space.
Then press your down arrow once.
Pop-up window. Refresh button 1 of 4.
And your new video button should be right there. But that is for persons who haven't created an actual video before. But since I have done it before, it apparently moved my new video button. But I showed you the two ways in which you can find it. So let me shift back over to where I found mine.
Less app bar, import button, select button 2, new video button collapsed 1 of 4.
Then you'd click enter on it.
New video project, start a blank project 1 of 3.
Then you'd click enter on start a blank project.
Name your video dialog. Video name, edit selected new video.
Then you'd give your video a name. Let's call this ice cream.
I-C-E space C-R-E-A-M.
Then you tab to OK and press enter.
OK button. Editing new video.
Okay, now remember we're using multiple images for this video. So the first thing we would want to do is to tab to the add button.
View medium radio button, view small, add title card button, more app bar button, back button, OneDrive button, video edit, ice cream, change vid, undo button, more app, show or add button 1 of 1.
Alright, by the way, where you saw that add a title card button, if it is that you wanted to add a title card just like how you would add an image, that is what you would press on instead of this add button. But I want to add an image of mine, so I'll press add.
From this PC 1 of 3.
Alright, and my image is located on my PC, so I'll press enter on this button. But let me also show you the other options that you have here. So if I use my down arrow.
From my collection 2 of 3.
Down arrow again.
From the web 3 of 3.
Alright, so you see you can also get an image from the web. So let me go back up to this PC.
From this PC 1 of 3.
Then press enter.
Add button 1 of 1. Open dialog, file name colon. File name colon, combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N blank.
Then select your file like a regular open dialog.
Items view list.
Now the first image I want to use is the thumbnail that I actually used for my Merry Christmas video.
C. Christmas thumbnail.jpg row 1 column 2 of 6.
So I'll press enter on it.
Photos. Photos window. Add button 1 of 1. 1 added to project library.
Then once selected on that image, you tab to place in storyboard.
Place in storyboard button 1 of 2.
Then press enter.
Christmas thumbnail dash copy left paren, 2 right paren, .jpg button.
Alright, right now it's saying dash copy because I already created a video with this image already. So it already has it saved as Christmas thumbnail, so it will say copy right here. So let me tab again.
View medium radio button not checked.
Alright, and then remember you'd use your spacebar to check view medium if you want it to take up majority of the screen.
Space, checked.
Now let's tab to change the duration.
View small, previous, play button, next frame, seek slide, full screen, list. Christmas, duration 3 seconds, button.
Remember from the last video. By the way, if you didn't get to watch that last video, you can watch it down below. It will be in the description. If by any means you feel lost during this video, you can catch up by watching the last video in which I explained most of the things I'm doing here. So remember, we're doing multiple images, right? I'm going to be using the same audio file from the last video, the Merry Christmas song that I did for you guys. And remember, that was 54.61 seconds. And I'm using 3 images here. So I want to be able to stretch out these 3 images somewhat equally across this audio file, okay? So therefore, it's about 3 images. So I think I'm going to give one 20, another one 20, and then the other one 14.61. And remember that you should always enter your duration in seconds. So if your audio file is in minutes, you should convert your duration to seconds. So I'm going to click enter here.
Pop-up dialog. How long should this appear?
Then I'm going to give it 20 seconds.
20.
And then press enter.
Duration changed to 20 seconds.
Alright. Then we're practically finished with this one. So let's tab all the way to add another image.
Add type, duration, text, motion, 3D, filter, reset, rotate, remove, more, back button, one, video, ice, change, undo, background, custom, finish, more app, show or hide button, add button 1 of 1.
Then press enter.
From this PC 1.
Enter on here.
Add button 1 of 1. Open dialog.
Now let's select a little thumbnail that I have that has jingle bells on it.
Items view list, J. Jinglebells.j.
Alright, press enter.
Photos. Photos window. Add button 1 of 1. 1 added to project library.
Alright, then press tab.
Christmas thumbnail dash copy left paren, 2 right paren, .jpg button.
Alright, now you realize it is saying Christmas copy right here. You need to ensure that the image that you just added is what you're seeing here before you tab to place the storyboard. So what I'm going to use to switch to the image that I just added is either my left or my right arrow. So let me try my right arrow.
Jinglebells-copy.jpg quote. Selected quote button jinglebells-copy.jpg.
Alright, now I can tab to place in storyboard.
Place in storyboard button 1 of 2.
Then press enter.
Christmas thumbnail dash copy left paren, 2 right paren, .jpg button.
Alright, and remember that I told you from in the last video that whenever you press place in storyboard, you're practically just adding the image to the project. And I really recommend you add your images to the project in the order in which you want them to appear on the screen, okay? Alright, now you realize that it just says Christmas JPG copy right here. Let me use my right arrow again to ensure that I'm on Jingle Bells.
Jinglebells-copy.jpg button.
Alright, now let's tab.
View medium radio button checked.
Alright, so that's already checked.
View small rate, previous frame, play button, next frame, seek slide, full screen, list. Duration 3 seconds, button.
Alright, now the duration for this is on 3 seconds, so I said I'll change this one to 20 as well.
Pop-up dialog. How long should this appear?
Then say 20.
20.
And press enter.
Duration changed to 20 seconds.
Alright, now let's add our last image.
Add, mode, 3, rotate, more, back, 1, vid, ice, change, undo, back, custom, finish, more, show or add button 1 of 1.
Then press enter.
From this PC 1 of 3.
Enter again.
Add button 1 of 1. Open dialog file name.
Then I will select my last one which says Happy New Year.
Items view list, H. Happy New Year. Photos. Photos window. Add button 1 of 1. 1 added to project library.
Then tab.
Christmas thumbnail dash copy left.
Then use my right arrow.
Jingle bells dash. Happy New Year.
Then tab again.
Place in storyboard button 1 of 2.
Then press enter.
Christmas thumbnail dash copy left paren.
Then right arrow to that Happy New Year one.
Jingle bells. Happy New Year.
Then let's go ahead and change the duration.
View medium radio button check. View, preview, play, next, seeks, full screen, list. Jinglebells-copy.jpg not selected 2 of 3.
Then use my right arrow here to make sure it's on Happy New Year.
Happy New Year-copy.jpg not selected 3 of 3.
Then tab.
Duration 3 seconds, button.
And press enter.
Pop-up dialog.
Remember I said I was going to give this one 14.61 seconds.
14.61.
Then press enter.
Duration changed to 14.61 seconds.
Alright, now once you have added all of your images, you can either tab all the way, or I'm just gonna shift tab because it's one step behind this control to this option.
Happy New Year-copy.jpg not selected 3 of 3.
This was the list, right? If I should shift tab one more time, you should see what it comes after.
Full screen button.
So it comes right after the full screen button. So let me tab back to it.
List. Happy New Year.
Okay, now what you need to ensure that you do before you add your audio file is to make sure that you use your arrow key to go back to the image that should be at the start of the video. So,
Jingle bells, Christmas thumbnail dash copy left per.
alright, and then press your Ctrl+A to ensure that everything is selected.
Selected.
Then, let's add our audio file. So let's tap all the way to custom audio.
Durate, add top, durate, remove, more, back but, one drop, video, ice cream, change video, undo, back, custom audio,
Then press enter.
exited ice cream,
Then tab to add audio file.
back but, one, preview, play, next, seeks, add audio file,
Then press enter.
open dialog file name,
Now select your audio file like a regular open dialog.
items view list,
And remember, I'm using the same audio file from last time.
T, testing 1, T, the Quinn Merry Christmas, photos, photos window, add audio file button 1 of 1,
Then tab all the way to done and press enter.
list, delete, play, adjust, done button, changes applied,
Alright, now let's tab all the way to the play button to ensure that everything is working right and the audio file is at the right place.
back but, one drop, video, change undo but, back custom, finish, more app, show or, add button, happy new, view medium, view small rate, previous frame button, play button, space, pause, space,
Okay, cool.
play,
Alright, now let's tab all the way to finish video.
next, full, direct, add, direct, more, back, one, video, ice, change, undo, background, custom, finish video,
And press enter.
finish your video dialog, video quality combo,
Then once again you can change the video quality if you want, but I usually leave it the same. Then tap to export and press enter.
more options, export button, finish video button 5 of 5, save as dialog, file name colon,
Now a regular save as dialog comes up, so you select where you want your video to be saved.
items view list, pop you,
Alright, it's in the right place. So let me tab back to file name.
file name colon, combo box collapsed, edit alt plus and selected ice cream.mp4,
And you realize it keeps the same name that we gave it earlier on. And you can just press enter to save.
photos, photos window, exporting, dialog, cancel button,
And
6%,
depending on the length of
20%,
your audio file, it might
35%,
take a little while to
49%,
export.
65%,
but you can just wait on it.
80%, 95%, finish, photos, photos window, here's the video you created,
Alright, now let me close this.
photos,
Alright, so our video has been created. Now what I'm going to do is to make use of the Now add-on to ensure that our images are actually there. Alright, so we won't have to use Be My Eyes or get a sighted person or somebody like that to come tell me if it actually worked. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to search for the video.
start win, YT window, ice cream.mp,
Okay, so what I'll be using is the keystroke NVDA plus Control plus Shift plus R in order to take a screenshot and recognize whatever is seen on the screen to see if each image pops up at each time that we set them to pop up. Okay, so first let me play the video.
movie, now playing ice cream,
Let's
pause
pause
button,
it.
space,
Okay, so the first image should be up right now. First of all, let me put this video's app in full screen. So my Windows plus my up arrow. Alright, then now let's use that keystroke. Insert plus Control plus Shift plus R to see what is actually on the screen.
recognizing, result document,
Now remember that I told you that this first image was my thumbnail from my Christmas greetings video. So it should be saying the Quinn Christmas video. So let's read it and see what's saying.
the Quinn, Christmas, greetings, 30,
Alright, awesome. Alright, so we're gonna escape from out of this.
play button,
Alright, so the first image worked. Now let us count to about 20 seconds and stop the video again and then play it again to see if the next one pops up.
space, pause,
Yeah, Christmas is my favorite time of year. Get your loved ones together and spread the cheer. It's not about the gifts under the tree. It's about spread.
space,
Alright,
play,
so that's about 20 seconds. Let me do insert plus Control plus Shift plus R again.
recognizing, result document, jingle, bells,
Alright, awesome. So it changed to the Jingle Bells one. Alright, now let's wait 20 seconds again.
play button,
Love around the city. Merry Christmas. the season. And don't forget, Jesus is the reason. Merry Christmas to all.
Space.
Alright,
Play.
that should be 20 seconds. Alright, let me use that keystroke. Insert plus Control plus Shift plus R again.
Recognizing. Result document. HAPPY. New year.
Alright, so it says Happy New Year. So that is it, guys. My video has been created. It actually worked. And now I have my video going on with the multiple images there. So that is it, guys, how you use multiple images and an audio file to make your videos using the Windows Photos app. Hopefully this has been helpful to you guys, so you can go ahead, make your slideshow, stuff like that, show off, let your family members say or your friends say, oh my god, how did you do this? How did you know when what comes up at what time? And if you're not using text thumbnails, you remember you can always ask a friend or use the Be My Eyes app to ask persons, you know, is this image coming up and is it coming up at the right time? So guys, once again, thanks for watching. Remember to share this video with your friends because it's an awesome video. Thanks once again to Wakas, who actually helped me getting this video out because I didn't know how to do it before, but I'm actually gonna make use of it now. So thanks again for watching. Remember to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and turn on my notifications bell to be alerted whenever I post the next video. So I'll see you guys next time.